With the M18 hatchet, especially using it up in the tree with like tight crotches, tight unions, trying to make pruning cut that you can't get your big saw in there. With the M18 hatchet, it makes it so much easier to get into tight places like that.
The M18 FUEL HATCHET saw is easy to grab, light on the harness if I'm carrying it through a tree.
The M18 FUEL HATCHET, it's much smaller, much easier to handle. You can get into tight, small spots much easier. You don't have the exhaust blowing in your face as you're making a cut. So it's perfect for those small, tight areas that you have to cut in.
Yeah, the size and weight of the hatchet is surprisingly easy to control, and it still has power behind that lightweight.
My initial thoughts of cutting with the M18 hatchet was that it cut right through what I needed to immediately. There was no kickback, there was no bog on it. It chewed right through it cleanly, and it was fantastic.
I was very surprised with the amount of power it did, being so small. It cuts right through anything I've put it through yet, whether it be a small top of a pole chunk or any tree limb.
The M18 FUEL HATCHET's power definitely allows us to be faster on the job site. I mean, the cutting speed alone allows us to be faster.
The use of the M18 FUEL HATCHET has made us more productive as a lineman. We're able to make our cuts a little bit quicker. Not having to pull out such a large chainsaw to make small cuts is so beneficial to us.
The size, the power, and the reliability, along with the battery life that I've experienced so far, has been phenomenal.